Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey, and for episode 3 of Healthy Oats Recipes, I'm sharing a protein and fiber rich Oats Chilla recipe, ideal as a filling meal for breakfast, lunch or for dinner. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in half cup old fashioned rolled oats. Add in some water and allow the oats to soak for about 5 minutes or until the other ingredients are ready. Okay, it's about 5 minutes now. The oats are nicely soaked. So I'm going to rinse it a couple of times and add it onto a strainer. The other ingredients I'm using are 1 cup of green moong dal sprouts. I have already shared how to sprout green moong dal. Links will be updated below this video. Please do check it out. 1 green chilli finely chopped, half of an onion finely chopped, some garden fresh curry leaves, a small handful of coriander leaves finely chopped, a small piece of ginger. Into my small chutney grinder, I'm adding in half of the green moong sprouts. So this is about half cup of green moong sprouts. Add in the ginger, half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon ajwain, also known as carom seeds. I'm crushing the ajwain and adding in so that the flavors are released. Half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon whole black peppercorns, and I'm coarsely grinding all this. Okay, now the ingredients are coarsely ground. Add the rinsed and strained oats into a bowl. Add in the coarsely ground ingredients. Add in the kept aside half cup green moong sprouts, half of an onion chopped, 1 green chilli finely chopped, chopped coriander leaves, the fresh curry leaves, half teaspoon sea salt or as needed. And with my hand, I'm mixing all this really well. Once mixed, I'm adding in about 2 tablespoons water and again mix well. Okay, now the ingredients are nicely mixed. Add in 2 tablespoons besan flour, also known as gram flour. Add in 2 to 3 tablespoons water and give this all a good mix. I already added 2 tablespoons of water into the oats mix, and then after I added the besan flour, I added 3 tablespoons of water. Once nicely mixed, the batter should be of spreadable consistency. You should be able to spread it with your thumb as I'm showing in the video. So this is the consistency which you should be looking at. Now the best thing about this batter is that you can make ahead and store it in the refrigerator in an airtight glass container and it will stay good for a couple of days. I'm greasing my cast iron tawa with wood pressed gingerly oil, also known as sesame oil, til oil or nallenna in Malayalam. Once the tawa is heated, reduce the flame to the lowest. Now I'm dividing this portion into 2 and I'm placing 1 portion onto the tawa. And I'm lightly spreading it with a spoon into a round chilla. And make sure the sides are even and round. You can do this with the spoon. Drizzle in a little bit of wood pressed sesame oil, or you can use wood pressed groundnut oil, A2 desi ghee, or any wood pressed oil of your choice. Cover and let it cook on low flame. 2 to 3 minutes later, open the lid and carefully flip it over and allow that side to get cooked as well. 2 minutes later, once that side is done, flip it over again and transfer to a serving plate. And my super healthy Sprouts Oats Chilla is ready to serve. You can enjoy this Sprouts Oats Chilla with pickle or any side dish of your choice. This chilla stays soft once it has cooled down, hence it's ideal to carry as a lunchbox meal. So guys, do try this healthy Sprouts Oats Chilla and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care, bye bye.